Hi, I'm Beth from Speak IT. Today I'm going to show you how to connect an external microphone like a Philips Speech mic to your Mac so you can use it with the Philips SpeechLive web app for dictations. Let's get started. Log in to your author account on speechlive.com and you'll see in the top right hand corner an icon that looks like a dictaphone that says connect device, and there's a red dot which means there's no device currently connected. Click that and open the PDC wizard. Open the first link, which will open Chrome browser extensions, and it'll open on the Philips device connector page. Click Add to Chrome. It'll show you what permissions it will be adding, and click Add Extension. Once that's installed, click the little cross, and you can now go back to your SpeechLive window. Click Next on the PDC wizard. And for step 2, you need to download the Philips Device Connector Native Host Application package, which will go into your Downloads folder. So if you open that up, open the Mac OS folder, which will show you the .pkg file. Double-click that to open and follow the instructions to install the host application, including entering any admin passwords if that's what's required. And click Install Software. Once installation is complete, click Close, and that will just remove the installer drive from your Mac. Go back to SpeechLive and click Finish. SpeechLive will refresh, and then if you plug in your device, you'll now see that the icon has got a little green dot rather than a red dot, and you'll see that the speech mic is now connected. To then use the speech mic, click New Dictation, and it'll open the dictation window. The first time you use the microphone to record, it'll just ask in the browser if you want to allow SpeechLive to use your microphone. Click Allow, and then you can press the record button once to start the recording, and then to finish the recording, press the record button again. Once you've recorded, you can rewind and play back through what you've already recorded, and then if you need to append, insert, overwrite and delete any audio from what you've recorded, you can do that within this window using your speech mic. Select from the drop downs depending on what you want to do in terms of adding in more audio. Don't forget to name your file as well to make it easier to know which recording is which. And then when you're ready to send it to your typist, click from the arrow in the bottom right hand corner. Select Send to Typist and select which typist team, whether it's your default or another team that you also have assigned to you. Click OK, and your browser window will refresh, and you can see that that recording is now impending, ready to be transcribed. Your external device is now ready to use with the Philips SpeechLive web app. But if you need any more support, then please raise a ticket by emailing support@speakit.co.uk. If you'd like to discuss any other products with us, then give us a call on 0121 456 7800.